Hello everyone, and welcome to the exciting and innovative BEST program, Business, Economy, Space Technology. That's what it's all about. I'm Professor Quentin Parker, Director of the Laboratory for Space Research here at the University of Hong Kong, and we're leading the technical and scientific aspects of this program. BEST is a new, special, unique to Hong Kong, foundational program which we're extremely proud to be a part of. It's been established by the HKU Academy for the Talented, which will reach out to more than 100 feeder schools for Hong Kong, the Laboratory for Space Research, and the Orion Astropreneur Space Academy, OASA.
The world is changing. Every day we hear news about new space challenges and new space businesses. How can our young students be ready for where these changes are going and not get left behind?
At HKU, we aspire to inspire students to develop a forward-thinking mindset. Over the years, HKU's Academy for the Talented scheme has endeavored to nurture secondary school students to become future talents and globally minded leaders.
BEST intends to provide a STEM-based, hands-on educational program for talented secondary, mainly science, students in our high schools, using CubeSat prototype, mission design and build for competition with a strong entrepreneurial edge.
Students will apply space technology to design and produce a CubeSat, acquiring project management and space engineering skills.
The CubeSat is a really small but powerful tool to represent all the key aspects for a larger space mission. Each mission required a team to cover all the different aspects related to.
The CubeSat design, chosen by our expert judges, may even form the basis of a viable CubeSat mission for launch.
I think this is a really good program to inspire young students and to make them understand which role they will play in this team.
OASA is working with HKU LSR and HKU Academy to connect students with experienced scientists like Quentin Parker and experienced engineers like Rosario Proculo and business professionals. Our aim is to prepare students with innovative thinking and people skills so they can be ready for any challenges.
And this program will offer students an interdisciplinary experience combining elements of arts, business, and science to equip them with the essential knowledge and skill for the future.
Any secondary student, whether interested in the sciences or the arts, is welcome to join the BEST program and to learn to become a leader in the changing worlds of the future.
I'm looking forward to meeting these young students, working with them, and listening to their amazing ideas.
I hope students will have lots of fun and find this program enjoyable and meaningful.
So, what are you waiting for? Put your best foot forward and let's get involved in this exciting STEM and space initiative with an entrepreneurial edge. Get your school engaged and on board this program, and let's design and build a CubeSat together.